Hey there folks, welcome back to the Art Factory. Today we have got something special in store for you, a game changer in the world of cleanliness and hygiene. Say hello to Cleansly Cleaning Solutions. If you are tired of the same old cleaning routine, struggling to get rid of stubborn stains, or simply want a quicker, more efficient way to maintain a sparkling clean space, you are in for a treat. Cleansly is here to revolutionize your cleaning game. Whether you're tackling the kitchen, bathroom, living room, or any other space, Cleansly has a product tailored to your needs. Cleansly's product range: floor care, surface care, restroom care, air care, kitchen care, and laundry care. Cleansly's Bathroom Cleaner Concentrate C1, formulated with no harsh chemicals and non-corrosive acids. It removes tough stains, watermarks, and soap scum and keeps your bathroom germ-free. This has a pleasant fragrance. C1 is ecologically safe and pH balanced. Cleansly's Multipurpose Cleaner Concentrate C2. It can be used to clean any surface, including marble, granite, cabinets, windows and mirrors, etc. It is so versatile that it can be used in the kitchen, on the floor, to clean furniture, bathrooms, mirrors, and even to wash vehicles. C2 quickly removes stains and dirt, keeps germ-free and streak-free. It also gives a pleasant fragrance. C2 is formulated with biodegradable ingredients and it is pH balanced. Cleansly's Glass Cleaner Concentrate C3. It cleans all kinds of mirrors and glass, removes finger marks, dirt, and dust. C3 has an auto-evaporate technology that leaves surfaces sparkling, clean, and streak-free. It is a concentrated glass cleaner for economy of use, environmentally safe, formulated with non-toxic ingredients, and it is pH balanced. Cleansly's Wood Furniture Maintainer C4, non-toxic, formulated with non-corrosive ingredients. It cleans the dust accumulated on the wooden surfaces, produces a smooth, glossy, and clear wood finish. C4 is a pH balanced product. Cleansly's Room Freshener C5, non-toxic and pH balanced. C5 is a non-alcoholic and water-based. Deodorizes guest rooms, banquet halls, and office rooms. C5 gives long-lasting pleasant fragrance. It is available in variable fragrance options: Ocean Fresh, Lemongrass, Strawberry, and Flora. Cleansly's Toilet Bowl Cleaner C6, formulated with no harmful chemicals. It eliminates the lime scale and stubborn stains. It is made of user-friendly formula. Hence, you will not find breathing issues during cleaning activity. C6 leaves toilet bowl clean and shine. Cleansly's Floor Cleaner Concentrate C7, formulated with no harmful ingredients. It removes tough stains without leaving any residue of either dirt or liquid. C7 is safe on both skin and surface, ecologically safe and pH balanced. Cleansly's Kitchen Descaler C8, formulated with no harmful ingredients and acids. C8 removes the lime scale and water scale deposited on kitchen appliances, leaves no stains on descaled items. C8 is an environment-friendly product. Cleansly's Bathroom Descaler C9, formulated with no harmful chemicals and non-corrosive acid. C9 eliminates mineral stains, scaling, and salt deposits. Leaves no stains on descaled surfaces. Cleansly's Utensil Cleaner Concentrate K1, formulated with biodegradable ingredients. Removes oil stains and grease deposits on utensils. It keeps the utensils clean and shine. K1 is completely safe on hands and pH balanced. Cleansly's Stainless Steel Polish SSP. It is a ready-to-use polish, designed specifically for use on stainless steel surfaces. SSP gives the surface a bright, clean appearance. It is biodegradable and pH balanced. So, if you're ready to simplify your cleaning routine, achieve sparkling results, and contribute to a greener planet, look no further than Cleansely cleaning solutions. Stick around because in our next video, we'll be diving deep into a few of our favorite Cleansely products, demonstrating just how they can transform your cleaning game. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on The Art Factory.